Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing a structure for us writing task 2, which is an essay writing and has a high weightage in score marking or getting band 7 and above. The structure is same for academic and journal training. To be honest, in my own experience, it's easy to score band 7 and above in writing if your IELTS structure or the format is in place or as per given IELTS guidelines. In this video, you will learn how to structure a IELTS essay, and this is applicable for all types of essay. So here we go. The structure of formats for IELTS writing is like a funnel. The planning of your essay should be like a funnel. Please refer this photograph in the video. Writing paraphrasing first, then body paragraph 1, 2 or 3 and then conclusion at the end. Please note that your paraphrasing should be bigger than your body paragraph 1 and 2, and body paragraph 1 and 2 should be in equal size. Although the third paragraph is an optional one, the conclusion should be precise and small. So let's start with the paraphrasing. The paraphrasing is a start paragraph of your essay and it should give an examiner the overview of your whole essay, what your whole IELTS essay contains. So writing paraphrasing is important. Please refer topic statement. Please read your topic statement twice or thrice and then rewrite topic statement in your own words. After writing topic statement, please share your agreement or disagreement with the topic statement with supporting with 2 reasons. Please note that you should not repeat the same words or sentence given in the topic statement. Now about your body paragraph 1. You should start body paragraph 1 with the linking or connecting words like on the one hand, although, however. Write first point which you have mentioned in the paraphrasing. Describe that point in second or third line with the description should not be more than 2-3 sentences. And then write your own experience example or a relevant example. After that, paragraph conclusion. You should close your paragraph. Do not forget to write a conclusion. The most important aspect of IELTS essay writing is to close each paragraph. Write at least 2 lines. Now the body paragraph 2. This should be in the same way, starting with the linking words. Write another point which you have mentioned in your paraphrasing. Describe that point, write a relevant example, and then try to write a real life example. At least in one of your paragraph, you should write a real life examples. Write 1 or 2 lines of conclusion. You should also close this paragraph. Do remember to write ending point or closing the paragraph. For closing the paragraph, you can use linking word like therefore, thus, hence. Now body paragraph 3. Write body paragraph 3 only if the question or topic statement asking your own opinion. Otherwise, no need to write body paragraph 3. The 4 paragraph is enough to get band 7. Okay. And if you're writing body paragraph 3, then start this paragraph writing in my own opinion and then describing your own opinion. In the third paragraph, conclusion is not required. Also, no need to write relevant example. Just write your own opinion in a straightforward manner. Lastly, the last paragraph is conclusion. Rewrite topic statement in a different manner than your paraphrasing, along with your final assessment of the topic and points mentioned by you in the paraphrasing. Please remember that your conclusion should not be as big as than your paraphrasing or the body paragraph. It has to be precise and small. To write conclusion, you can write to sum up or to conclude, to recapitulate, these kind of words. So best of luck guys. I'm hopeful this video and the structure is useful for you and you will definitely score band 7 in your next IELTS writing test. Please subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.